Hello everybody. In this class we will learn how to solve simultaneous linear equation by elimination method. Okay. Uh, the earlier method was a substitution method, and I hope you people understood that very well, and you can be able to do all the problems related to substitution method. Okay, no doubts you'll be having now. So the next method is elimination method. Okay, so here in the elimination method, what we will do step by step I'll show you, but now what is the question? First of all, you need to remember whatever is given. You first need to make the equations. Okay, you need to make it in journal form. What is the journal form of simultaneous linear equation? It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Okay, in that form you have to first transpose that. Okay, so now you see here x plus y minus 8 divided by 2 equals to x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3 equals to 3x plus y minus 12 divided by 11. Okay, so this expression equals to this expression equals to this expression. Okay, now that means this is equals to this also, this equals to this also. Okay, all are equal to each other. So now let us first take x plus y minus 8 divided by 2 equals to this 3x plus y minus 12 divided by 11. Okay, so now let us form an equation. Equality sign is there, so let us do the cross multiplication. Now after that, see here, this 11 into this whole expression, 11 into x plus y minus 8 equals to this 2 into this whole expression, 2 into 3x plus y minus 12. Okay, so let us now multiply this. 11 into x, 11x plus 11 into y, 11y minus 11 8s are 88 equals to 2 into 3x, 2 3s are 6x plus 2 into y, 2y minus 2 12s are 24. Got it. Now whatever are the like terms, let us just calculate that one. Here 11x is there, here 6x is there. Okay, so 11x, this plus 6x, when it transposed to the left hand side, it will become minus 6x. Okay, now plus 11y as it is, then this plus 2y, let us transpose here, it will become minus 2y, then equals to this minus 24 constant, let us keep here only, and this minus 88, let us write here, plus 88. Okay, so now 11 minus 6 will be 5x plus 11 minus 2 will be 9y equals to minus 24 plus 88. So the answer will be plus only, but 88 minus 24 will be 8 minus 4, then 6. Okay, so plus 64. So this is your equation 1. This is your equation 1. Now you got in the form of a1x plus b1y equal to minus c1, right? So this is how you have to first form the equations and then you have to solve. Okay, so now the next one is first equation you got. Now let us find the other equation also. Now this equals to this we have done, right? This one, this expression is equals to this one. Now let us do this expression equals to this one. Okay, so see here, x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3 equals to 3x plus y minus 12 divided by 11. Okay, once again cross multiplication. Now 11 into this whole expression, x plus 2y minus 14 equals to 3 into this expression, 3x plus y minus 12. Okay, now let us multiply 11x, 11 into x, 11x plus 11 2s are 22y minus 11 14s are. So 11 14s are will be 154 equals to 3 3s are 9x plus 3y minus 3 12s are is 36. Okay, now the next step, just calculate the like terms. What do you have? 11x minus 9x. Okay, 11x minus 9x, just we will write like this, then plus 22y, then here plus 3y will become minus 3y, then here constants are there, so minus 36, let me write like this, then minus 154 will become plus 154. Okay, then after that what you need to do, 11x minus 9x will be 2x, plus 22 minus 3 will be 19y, equals to minus 36 plus 154. So over here plus into minus minus, so you need to subtract this. So here 14 minus 6, here 1 and 1, so you will get 118. Okay, so this is how you got the equation. So let us name this as equation 2. Okay, so this is your equation 2. Now you got the equations 1 and 2. Okay, so now in this elimination method, what you need to do is you need to eliminate one of the unknowns. Okay, now this is one equation, this is the other one. Okay, so now unknowns, what are the unknowns over here? X and y are unknowns. Okay, x and y are unknowns. So what you need to do in the elimination method, you need to eliminate one of the unknowns. Either you select x or y, it is your wish. Okay, either you can eliminate x or y. So what you need to do, how to eliminate, you need to multiply the given equation by suitable number. See here now, 5x and 2x. First of all, let me write the two equations, then it will be easy for you to understand. Now what are the two equations just now we got? First is 5x plus 9y equals to 64, and the second is 2x plus 19y equals to 118. So these are the two equations. Now if we eliminate this x, this unknown x, then what to do? You need to make this coefficients equal. Okay, this coefficients are 5 and 2, so let us make this equal, then in that case you can eliminate it, right? So how to do, see here, now this is 5x, this is 2x. Okay, so let us multiply this 5 into this 2. Okay, let us multiply this 5x into 2, like whole equation anyhow you have to multiply. Okay, if you multiply this whole equation by 2, you will get here 10x. If you multiply this whole equation with 5, then you will get again 10x. Okay, so let us multiply this one with 2 and this one with 5. Okay, so let us see what you will get. 2 into 5x, 2 into 5x will be 10x, plus 2 into 9, 9 twos will be 18y. Okay, you are understanding how we are multiplying that? So here you see, you just have to see here, whatever the unknown, either x or y, whatever you want to eliminate, you just have to keep under consideration that their coefficient, whatever numerical values you are having, that should be equal. Okay, if it is equal, then only in that case you can cancel, you can eliminate that. So that's why we are just multiplying 5x, the like whole equation with 2, this one, and this whole equation with 5. Okay, so that this 5 2s are 10 and 2 5s are 10, it will become, so 10x plus 9y into 2 will be 18y, and then equals to 64 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, so you will get 128. Then 2 5s are again 10x plus 19 into 5, 19 into 5 will be 95y equals to 118 into 5. Okay, 118 into 5, let me do over here. So here you will get 590. Okay, so let us solve this now. Now what you need to see here, 10x 10x, now you can eliminate this unknown, that is x. Okay, so what you have to do, whatever equation, resulting equation, whatever you got, how you have to solve this? See here, 10x 10x. Okay, first of all, this is you just have to make it minus. So here plus is there, so minus, here plus, here minus, here plus, here minus, so you have to just cancel this. Now 18 minus 95, what is 18 minus 95? It will be minus here 77y equals to, and here again you'll get minus, then 590 minus 128, so it will be 6 and 4. Okay, something you will get 462. Now this minus and minus, then y equals to 462 divided by 77. Okay, now let us try to cancel this. 77 and 462 means can we do with 11 table? Yes, 11 table. See here, 11 sevens are 77, 11 fours are 44, then 2 will be remaining 22, 11 twos are is 22, then 7 ones are 7, 7 six are 42. So your answer is 42. Y equals to, what did you got? Y equals to 6. Okay, so y equals to 6. Now what you need to do, you need to substitute this y equal to 6 in any equation, either 1 or 2. So let me substitute y equals to 6 in equation 1. Okay, so now what is your equation 1? Equation 1 is nothing but 5x plus 9y equals to 64. Now in place of y, you have to substitute 6. 9 into 6 equals to 64. Now 5x plus 9 6 is 54 equal to this 64. Now 5x equals to this 64 minus 54. Now 5x equals to 10. 64 minus 54 will give you 10. Then after that, x equals to 10 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. X equals to 2. So this is how you got the value of x. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 6. So this is how you are doing the elimination method. You just have to remember one thing. First of all, in any method, either it's substitution or elimination or cross multiplication, whatever method is there, first of all, you have to see whatever is given in the question. You have to make in the journal form. You have to convert it into the journal form. A1x plus b1y equal to minus c1. That you have to convert first of all, and then you have to proceed. When you got the equations, 1 and 2 equations when you get, then only you can proceed further. So in elimination method, after you get the equations, what you will do, first step, you will multiply the given equations by suitable numbers. Okay, to make, why you're multiplying with suitable number? To make the coefficients of one of the unknowns numerically equal. Like here also you see, now you have got these two equations. Okay, so now in these two equations, if you are thinking to eliminate this x, then you need to make this numbers equal. If you want to eliminate this y, then you need to make this two numbers, two coefficients, coefficient of y, this coefficient of y, you have to make it equal. Okay, if it is 9 over here, if it is 19 over here, how you will make it equal? You have to multiply 9 with 19 and 19 with 9. Opposite you will do, no? So in the same way, if we want to multiply here, eliminate x over here, what we have done, 5 we have multiplied with 2 and 2 we are multiplying with 5. Okay, so 5x will into 2 will become 10x, and 2x into 5 will become 10x. Okay, so in this way we were eliminating. So after eliminating, you will get the y value. Okay, so here one more thing you have to see, if the numerically see here, whatever the equation you got, if numerically equal coefficients are opposite in sign, then what you have to do here, if opposite signs are there, then directly you can cancel. Okay, so this is how you're doing the elimination method. I hope you understood very well. Related to this, you can do some problems, then you can understand. Okay, at least 1 or 2 problems you can do. Fine for today.